What's up YouTube? Here with another quick video. I was working on something on my car and the driver's side window stopped working. In case you encounter this issue, I'm gonna do a quick video to show you what I did to resolve that issue. After checking fuse 49, which is the window fuse, I realized that there was something else that was causing the issue. After checking each window switch, I realized my driver's side window wasn't clicking, the relay wasn't clicking when I tried to activate that switch. I figured it was a switch issue. So I'm gonna show you what I did to fix that issue. Alright guys, so don't mind the mess. The first thing you're gonna do is remove this panel. I already had mine removed. Go ahead and remove these two switches. Then the next thing you're gonna do is pop this switch out. There's two clips right here, 1, 2. You're gonna press those two clips and this should pop right out. Alright, so the next step is you're gonna pop these 6 clips open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is what you should have, or what you'll be working with. So remove these black clips and you're left with these. So now you're gonna remove these white things. These are what you're gonna be using the cotton swab and the alcohol to clean each surface. The 4 surfaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and clean this surface as well. Do that for each window if you would like, I don't know. And that should fix your issue. That's provided that your relay is working and your fuse is working, so you can give that a try and hopefully that fixes your issue. Okay guys, so after you clean this, you're gonna replace it just as how you saw it. So you're gonna slide it back in here where you get the idea. It's kind of hard to use one hand, but when you replace it, it should look exactly like this one, exactly like that one. Alright guys, so it should be flush on both sides. So after you do all of that, it's pretty much the reversal. Just in case you don't know how to put the clips on, I'm gonna demonstrate that right now. So at this point you're gonna need to put back on the plastic clips. Cool, these are the plastic clips. However, you're gonna need to pay attention to this clip because it goes inside the button itself. So you're gonna have to pay attention to the orientation of the button that's inside this button. So pretty much you're gonna line this up with that switch, or I should say the orientation should be in line with this when you're placing it on the switch. Alright, and you can't mix it up. You can't, there's no way that you can mix it up because the clip only goes one way. Alright. Alright, so let's put on the switch. So now we know that the position of the clip is to the left. We're gonna line up the switch. And it pretty much goes over the 2 metal. Alright, so the metal should be in between the 2 clips. So this metal, these 2 metal bridges I should say, they should go between these 2 clips. And it should sit just like this. Same for the other side. Next step, placing it back inside. Alright, so what I did was to kind of let the switch hang and then gently place it in, not all the way, sorry. Right, and ensure that before you snap it in, just try and ensure that the button is in line with the switch, just like that, on both sides. When you feel it like it's grabbing on both sides, then you know it's in the right position. So for example, this one, it's not in the channel, so it's hanging freely, versus this one, I can feel a little click, right? So just ensure that you line them up properly before you snap it on, or else you might damage a component. But when you think you've reached that point where the clips line up with that notch and it's not passing and it's grabbing, you can just snap it in. Alright, check. You should get that click. First click, back click, first click, back click. And pretty much next thing that you do is snap it all back in. So installation is pretty much the opposite. You're gonna place it, give me a second. Yeah, place it in, snap in, connect your switch, check the accessory, one more time, down. Oh, it's going down. So that's pretty much it. If you like the video, please like, leave a comment, share, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.